This is my simple everyday carry setup. Some people don't like to carry rifles or mini rifles with them in their trucks. Simple but effective. Simple but effective. This is my little setup that I have. I know it's just a regular little ARP. It's in a 5-inch barrel, but it's simple and effective. I've already put, once I finished building it, I put about 300 rounds with no problem. So I know that at any given point, if I pull this out, it's gonna go bang and it's gonna do what I need it to do. It's gonna do what it was intended to do. So I feel I don't need anything fancy, just something simple and effective that's gonna work. So just wanted to make a quick little video on something that's simple but effective.